Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer title with Alliance Title, detailed guide step by step clearly. Transferring a title can seem complex, but with Alliance Title, it's a straightforward process. Begin by gathering all necessary documents. You'll need the current title. Ensure any loan information is available if applicable. Next, visit the Alliance Title website or your local Alliance Title office. Contact their office to schedule an appointment. During your appointment, provide the gathered documents to the Alliance Title representative. They will guide you through the specific requirements based on your situation. You may need to fill out a title transfer form. The representative will explain the different options for transferring the title. Discuss any fees associated with the transfer process. Once all documents are complete, review them carefully. Ensure all information is accurate and up to date. The representative will submit your paperwork on your behalf. After submission, it usually takes a few days to process the title transfer. You can ask for confirmation details regarding the status of your transfer. Once processed, you will receive the new title in the mail. Keep a copy of all documents for your records. If you have any questions during the process, don't hesitate to reach out to Alliance Title. They are there to assist you at every step. That's it. You've successfully transferred a title with Alliance Title. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.